So here we have our optional ballast system that you heard me talking about. It's pretty simple. It's operated by two different valves. There's a ballast tank down there. There's a manifold that your air is going to attach to, and then we give you an air hose that comes off of that manifold that you can use for blowing down wet parts as they come off the plasma. So this ballast tank holds about 5 gallons, which is enough to drop it from 3/8 to 1/4 of an inch. So if I wanted to raise the water level, I just close the valve that's the release, and then I'm going to open up this, and you start to see water bubble up a little bit. If you get too much, you can blow some off as you're going, and the blow down, we'll leave that open and it'll slowly raise that. You don't want to just open this and walk away, because then it's going to keep feeding air through and you're going to have a bubble storm here. So I'm going to use that to raise the tank, and let's say I thought I was a little high. I shut that, see the bubbling subsides, and if I want to blow it off, I just open this and it's going to start dumping air, and the excess that it spits will just come through this little manifold and blow back into the tank. So really simple system, but it gives you some opportunities to move around that water level a little bit. Again, if you're cutting aluminum or you need to drop it to do some laser cutting, a lot of different options.